New MacBook Pro with Wi-Fi 6E support surfaces in regulatory database. This is not the same MacBook Pro that we just talked about?
I don't believe so.
Evidence is mounting that new Macs could be announced this week.
Oh, maybe
This
it is.
is the same one, right? The filing was spotted by Wade Penner on Twitter. Apple's filing received approval last week on January 11th. Registration references product marketing name MacBook Pro. According to Penner, reveals that the new MacBook Pro models will support Wi-Fi 6E, which uses 6 gigahertz wireless band to enable faster, more reliable wireless connections. Currently, only the latest generation iPad Pro, which is this one here. And I can actually attest to the performance of Wi-Fi 6E. I actually do have network capable, and it's far more reliable than Wi-Fi on previous iPhones that I've used up until the latest generation. Reliable or just potent in general, I don't know. It's struggling less. Although I'm one of these people that has found comparative analysis in the far reaches of my premises at home, where that recent iPhones have actually not been the best Wi-Fi performers. Completely, hey, everybody's situation is different, but I've done better with Samsung Wi-Fi in those circumstances.
But your iPad is...
Oh, this is the latest
solid?
iPad. Is rock solid. It's better. Now, I don't know. Obviously, you have completely different hardware layouts over there, but so hopefully the new MacBook Pros follow suit, and they're just as reliable and as effective as the new Mac or the new iPad Pros.